Have you ever wondered why your body hair stands up? Why your fingers wrinkle in water? Why white spots appear on your nails? Or why babies cry without tears? Today on Missed Echo, we'll reveal the surprising science behind these everyday mysteries. Let's dive in.
Have you ever noticed white spots on someone's fingernails? Ever wondered why they appear? These white marks are often linked to minor nail injuries, and in some cases, nutritional deficiencies such as low iron or zinc. Your body often gives small warning signs when something isn't quite right, making it easier to spot problems early.
According to a study published in the American Journal of Public Health in 1989, people who do most of their daily tasks with their left hand were reported to have a shorter average lifespan than those who are right-handed. One suggested reason was that most tools, machines, and everyday objects are designed for right-handed people. As a result, left-handed individuals may face more challenges in daily life and a greater risk of accidents, which could increase the risk of serious injury or even death. You probably already know that our brain controls the entire body. But did you know that during certain surgeries, the two hemispheres of the brain can be separated, and some people can still function surprisingly well? Even more fascinating, the human brain continues to develop and mature until around the age of 40, although most major development happens much earlier. According to the International Hyperhidrosis Society, the human body has around 2 to 4 million sweat glands, although we rarely notice them. The highest concentration of sweat glands is found on the soles of our feet, the palms of our hands, and our forehead. Each foot contains roughly 125,000 sweat glands. Interestingly, women generally produce less sweat from their feet than men, which is one reason foot odor tends to be less common in women.
Your tongue is what allows you to taste the food you eat. Without it, enjoying flavors would be impossible. Many people believe that different parts of the tongue are responsible for different tastes, but that's actually a myth. According to modern research, almost every part of your tongue can detect all the basic tastes, including sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Your lips are among the most sensitive parts of your body, packed with thousands of nerve endings. Just behind them is the masseter muscle, one of the strongest muscles in the human body. It helps you chew food with incredible force and can generate enough bite pressure to handle loads of up to 90 kilograms under the right conditions. Have you ever wondered why many cancer patients lose their hair? It's not because they choose to cut it. During cancer treatment, chemotherapy targets rapidly dividing cells. While it attacks cancer cells, it can also affect hair follicles, causing hair to fall out. On average, a healthy person's hair grows by about 0.3 to 0.4 millimeters per day. Did you know that your brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight? Yet it consumes around 20% of your body's oxygen and energy. That's because your brain is constantly working, controlling your thoughts, movements, breathing, heartbeat, and every vital function of your body. Food is essential for both humans and animals to survive. But have you ever wondered how much food a person eats in a lifetime? Scientists estimate that by the age of 70, an average healthy person consumes around 30,000 kilograms of food. That's roughly the weight of several large elephants. Did you know that water is essential for your brain and your entire body? When your body loses water equal to about 1% of your body weight, you begin to feel thirsty. As dehydration becomes more severe, it can affect your body's normal functions. In extreme cases, around 10% body water loss, dehydration can become life-threatening if not treated quickly. You probably know that your fingerprints are completely unique. No one else in the world, not even an identical twin, has the exact same fingerprint. But did you know your tongue is unique too? Just like your fingerprints, the pattern and texture of your tongue are different from everyone else's, making it another one-of-a-kind feature of your body.
Did you know that human lungs can float on water? That's because even after you breathe out completely, your lungs still contain a small amount of air. This is called residual lung volume, and it helps keep the lungs partially inflated at all times. Because of this trapped air, healthy lungs can float on water. If you're in a deep sleep, would a pleasant fragrance or even a terrible smell wake you up? A study found that sleeping people could be awakened by shaking them or shining a light into their eyes. But surprisingly, simply placing a pleasant or unpleasant smell near their noses usually wasn't enough to wake them from deep sleep. Did you know that a 10-second kiss can transfer more than 80 million bacteria between two people? But there's no need to panic. Most of these bacteria are harmless, and many are part of the normal bacteria that naturally live in our mouths. In healthy people, they usually don't cause problems and can even help maintain a balanced oral microbiome.
Did you know that a newborn baby has only about 1 cup of blood in its body? Babies can cry without visible tears because their tear glands are not yet fully developed. And here's another fascinating fact. Your nose and ears continue to change throughout your life, which is one reason your appearance gradually changes as you age.
Have you ever noticed how your fingers and toes become wrinkled after being in water for a long time? Scientists believe these wrinkles serve a useful purpose. They improve your grip on wet objects, much like the tread on a tire helps it hold the road. Without these wrinkles, it could be harder to firmly grasp slippery surfaces. Did you know that the average person walks about 160,000 kilometers over a lifetime? That's enough to circle the Earth nearly 4 times. And here's the best part. Walking is one of the healthiest habits you can have. According to health experts, just 30 minutes of walking a day can help reduce body fat, improve fitness, and support your overall health. Have you ever wondered why you get goosebumps? It can happen while watching a scary movie, riding a fast car, or experiencing intense excitement or fear. In these moments, your body releases a hormone called adrenaline. This hormone prepares your body to react, and one of its effects is making the tiny muscles around your hair follicles contract, causing your body hair to stand up and creating goosebumps. Did you know that women can often distinguish more shades of color than men? On average, women tend to be better at telling apart subtle differences between similar colors, while men are more likely to have difficulty with certain color variations. Another interesting fact: women blink about 18 to 20 times per minute, while men blink around 11 to 12 times per minute on average. The human heart is an incredible organ. From birth to the end of life, it works continuously without taking a break. A healthy heart beats about 72 times per minute, pumping roughly 70 milliliters of blood with each beat. That's around 5 liters every minute, and nearly 7,000 to 8,000 liters of blood every day. In fact, the pressure generated by the heart is so powerful that, in theory, it could spray blood up to 30 feet if a major artery were opened. Over a lifetime, your heart pumps hundreds of millions of liters of blood, making it one of the hardest working organs in your body. For more fascinating videos like this, subscribe to Missed Echo and discover the world's most incredible mysteries and untold stories.